Hello lovely people, I welcome you all to Cracker GH My name is Ethel. Guys, there's a great musician who has been there for a very long time. His name is OD4. One thing I like about this man is that he entertains everyone with his music. This December, OD4 is back with an awesome performance. I think we should go check it out.
Let's go. Mary, who you mean? All right then. Now come in here. What's with that? What's with that? Yeah. What you coming to that? Hold on. Last nigga we see that. Let me get that. So in there you die. Drop it. Ah, hey. All right then. Come on. Everybody move. Yo, when I make
Whoa, such an awesome performance from OD4, and I hope you liked it. To continue watching our videos, take your internet devices, follow us on Facebook. Remember to like our pages, or you can decide to subscribe our channels on the YouTube page. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be the first to watch our videos when they are out. My name is Ethel. Cracker GH TV. We crack to bring out the best. Thank you.